Did you know that Japan is now opening its doors to Nepali workers? The Japan training visa could be a golden opportunity for high income, skill development, and life changing experiences. But many people miss out simply because they don't understand the process. By the end of this video, you'll learn everything about eligibility, application process, and tips to ensure your success. What is the Japan Training Visa? TITP. It's a technical intern training program designed to provide Nepali youth with skill training in industries like manufacturing, construction, agriculture, and healthcare. Duration 1 to 3 years. Benefits: high salary, international experience, and potential for permanent jobs in Japan. You can apply if you meet these requirements. Age 18 to 30 years. Minimum +2 pass or vocational training. Basic Japanese language proficiency and 5 and 4 level may be required. Must be in good health. Japanese company sponsorship is mandatory. For the application process, Step 1. Find a sponsor, Japanese company or authorized agent in Nepal. Step 2. Prepare the required documents, education certificates, passport, medical reports. Step 3. Apply for a visa at the Japanese embassy. Step 4. Pass the interview and get your visa approved. Step 5. Fly to Japan. Before going to Japan, be prepared for language barrier. Learn Japanese, at least N5 level. Work culture. Japanese companies prioritize time management, discipline, and teamwork. Physical demands. Some fields like construction and manufacturing require physical labor. Family restrictions. You cannot bring your family on the initial visa. What should you do next? Contact a trusted agent. Start learning Japanese. Prepare your documents. Now it's your time. If you want to go to Japan, start preparing today. For your study abroad dreams, your perfect navigator for abroad studies. Bhasika, your convenience, our commitment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.